Yes, Madam Phyllis has been so supportive. She's a woman member of parliament for this district. Honorable Mawanda is the MK Brigade chairman. Yes. So welcome. So let's go now. Where is Honorable Phyllis? Get behind there.
Amkanachi, Kikwanane Mogurwanda Devo, I'm going to Garasamani, I'm going to Satingatili, Nachi! Amkanachi! Bye bye.
MK Oye! MK Oye! Twice, thank you very much. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, MK has arrived. We've been waiting for. MK Oye has started. He'll be here with us.
Good afternoon, viewers. I'm called Nzaire Sedrak, Kabuta Chairman, NRM Chirugura District, also coordinator, National Coordinator of Revolutionary Guards. I came to SEBEI region today, escorting General MK, and we have been received with very warm welcome. And we thank people of SEBEI sub-region and you people, media people, who always cover these functions. Our role here, MK has come to promote sports and entertainment as usual, but me as a politician, I have come to activate the system of NRM and see if NRM has been doing its work, because we are given a mandate to represent people and we want to know if the service delivery has reached down to the ground. So that was my role to come this side today. And we are here, we are trying to talk with leadership, we are asking the communities what is their evaluation for the service delivery. And we have got feedbacks. So we shall take this feedback to the authorities and we inform the president because he's our national chairman. But so far so good. We haven't seen any negative energy. People have been positive and they appreciate the NRM government. So what we need to do now is to fight corruption, impunity, and corruption, of course, corruption, impunity, and delaying services to the people. For example, this is a hilly area, but you have seen the roads. The roads are everywhere. They are in the hills, they are down. Now, the main problem here is water for production, which I have identified so far, and some pledges which NRM has been fulfilling. They are saying it's about 85% fulfilled. So now for us, we're also going to continue putting more fire so that the fire can keep burning.
You happen to be the chairman of NRM Chirugura. There are some misunderstandings between party members and the MK project. How are you going to handle this in the district?
No, there is no misunderstanding in Chirugura district. We are all on the same page. But the problem is that people don't know what they call standby generator. Standby generator comes in when the main switch is off, when the main electricity is off, then standby generator comes in. So we are giving you surety. In case of main goes off, then the standby generator comes in so that we don't get load shedding. For you, what do you benefit if you get load shedding? You as a media person, what do you benefit when you get load shedding? Why don't you put there a generator in your house or in your factory or at this event where we are? If this electricity goes off without standby generator, what happens? So you people, those people don't get worried. For us, we are saying we are preparing, we have our standby generator. In case of any shortage of energy, we put on our generator. That's what it means. We are not chasing any person, but people are worried maybe because they don't understand the concept. Otherwise, for us, we are NRM people. We have structures of NRM. If we are the elected leader, we know where to pass. SEC will sit, NEC will sit, and even the local person will participate in the selection. So don't get worried. No, President Museveni, His Excellency President Museveni cannot be worried because he's the one who implemented those systems. And he's the one who brought democracy. And he knows that part of the democracy process is to elect leaders. And this time around is the leader, the one who elected
So we have to wait for another term. That's when the candidates will come out and participate. And any of them will sort that out.
But you are Tanzanian, you are one Gen.muhoozi can compete against
Maybe you don't understand. We said stand by generator, not competing. Stand by generator in case of road shedding, the generator will automatically go on. It's automatic usually in your houses. You don't need to go and start.
Hii speech ambao wamenipatia, then you translate for me please. All the security leaders here present, members of the clergy, business and community leaders, I am profoundly happy and honored to be here visiting you in Kapchorwa.
Piga sabin to kol ko jage ko ngasisi awai long de sabin ago to kol joga ko bajone cheji ko jage jo kando to kya jage ko jage taro to ko ngoni poiga gansa poi kyo ngini da banda pigo to kol joga ko to kol libiule ai ku ngara gat kam sa bajone am ga burta joga je tie bajone.
We all know that Kapchorwa and SEBEI are some of the most beautiful parts of Uganda.
Jinga togol le Kapchorwa ang sabi ngaroman le pondo korosiret korenyo pondo lo tilil kapsa lo pondo karor danya tapon kapsa am Uganda.
I want to thank the people of SEBEI for their love and devotion to our leader, our president, President Museveni.
Abraga sebiga Museveni oye. Abraga sebiga sabi karo namja mishet nyogi panne do bonde tioir ga kutam Museveni kujage kujo kanjare to kai bashondi.
You have been his strong supporters since 1986 and you're still his supporters.
Kaya yung yakwe ko ne do kujage 1986 akai bashondi da bonde jamishet nyege timba yo kya jeje.
I'm here to interact with the young people of SEBEI in this event, the marathon and so forth that we had, to talk to you and be close to you. That's how we will continue. We'll keep on interacting closely.
Kajo nyanu bashoni bile je duya ka kwe kari mani ka go tibigi je ngululige angem dangale kyo je tase kuno gumingma kyo ga jiru e bashoni ni angu gidaga nyemo dai ko je bashoni ni je bonde je mdoi ngale go ga.
We planted trees in the morning and that is part of our program of keeping our environment safe.
Jemola gaje uige tege ishe nyaje anga nyodo nyemi tai le lazima jerip sang nyaje ki kunya litabon.
There is no doubt, ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that the people of SEBEI in Kapchorwa, in Queen and in Buko are some of our best athletes that we have in this country.
Gadot karo mangal sale ko masai di basabi lagunye bondo bigo jorwe chebo jinga de Uganda togol lambalisi.
World champions come from SEBEI.
Pedro gore togol mbok ke Uganda angu balis.
Joshua Cheptegei,
Marionde Joshua Cheptegei,
Jacob Kiplimo,
Kanetnyo,
Stephen Kiprotich, Stella Chesang. All these are world champions from here, your own sons and daughters.
And
there are others that I have not mentioned. But now that we have the long overdue Teriet National High Altitude Training Center, that is nearing completion, the sky will not be the limit for athletes, from SEBEI. I want to thank again His Excellency, the President, MUSEVENI, for his support towards SEBEI, the road that you were talking about, this National Altitude Training Center, and other programs that he has supported in SEBEI. As the infrastructure continues to improve and the sports facilities come up, there is great potential for tourism, the tourism industry in SEBEI. Because of the beautiful, breathtaking landscapes here. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to also thank all the young people of Uganda for the enthusiasm and support that you're witnessing here. This is only a small sample of the support the people of Uganda have for us. The MK movement is a force of millions of Ugandans support. Support us. So let's keep close to each other. Let's keep having events and activities. And I'm sure we shall make this country even more great than it is. I thank all the leaders of MK Ame for organizing this event. I'll mention some of them. Chairman, MK Ame Brigade, Honorable Michael Mawanda, thank you so much. National Vice Chairman, MK Movement, Balam Balgahara. MK Ame Brigade Chief Coordinator for SEBEI, Chief Coordinator for SEBEI, Honorable Twala. The Deputy Coordinator for SEBEI also, Honorable Emma. Honorable Emma Nyoij. Woman MP, Queen District, Honorable Phyllis. Honorable Phyllis, MP. And all the, of course, the chairman of Avengers. Not okay. There's Avengers. There's Revolutionary Guards, Nzeire and Michael Katunji, and all Baby Cool. Yes. Baby Cool. And Baby Cool. And what people have seen the hard copy of Baby Cool now. Yes. They have been seeing the soft copy only. They have not seen him. So thank you for coming to entertain the people of SEBEI. With those few words, I want to thank you once again for coming out in large numbers. It's been a long day, but thank you for braving the sun all these hours. And the program will continue. People will continue dancing here. I pray that security is maintained, that our security people maintain security here for the people who will be dancing and so forth tonight. Asante sana nyinyi wote. Hapa mnaongea Kiswahili, si ndio?
Yes.
Aha. So na mimi niko Mswahili. Nilizaliwa Tanzania. Kuna wa Tanzania hapa? Mkono. So muko na nini?
And they claim that they are born here.
Yes, muko karibu na Kenya. Kenya wanaongea Kiswahili. So nimefurahi sana kuwaona. Sana sana. Asante kukuja. Naona watu wako wengi tena wanafika huko. Wanafika ngambo huko. Asante yote. Asante kukuja. Wacha nione mkono tena. Wacha ni
Sanet wamenipatia hapa. Hii ni nitakuwa Sayandet. Nitakuwa naitumia sasa. Itakuwa Sayandet ya kwanza.
Aha.